Despierta a las 6, sueño hecho realidad. Cambio de piso con mis tacones en no callado. Eres lo mejor desde que llegué a casa. Baila y muéstramelo. Otras 12 horas hasta que te desvaneces. Día de negociación con Moji. Como no fui consciente. Avísenme, Moji. Día de negociación con Moji. Me siento bendecida, mañana lo sabrás. Dame unas horas para deshacerme de esto. Día de negociación con Moji. Como no fui consciente. Avísenme, Moji. Día de negociación con Moji. Me siento bendecida, mañana lo sabrás. Dame unas horas para deshacerme de esto. Día de negociación con Moji. Como no fui consciente. Avísenme, Moji. Día de negociación con Moji. Despierta a las 6, sueño hecho realidad. Cambio de piso con mis tacones en no callado. Eres lo mejor desde que llegué a casa. Baila y muéstramelo. Otras 12 horas hasta que te desvaneces. Día de negociación con Moji. Como no fui consciente. Avísenme, Moji. Día de negociación con Moji. Me siento bendecida, mañana lo sabrás. Dame unas horas para deshacerme de esto. Día de negociación con Moji. Como no fui consciente. Avísenme, Moji. Día de negociación con Moji. Me siento bendecida, mañana lo sabrás. Dame unas horas para deshacerme de esto. Día de negociación con Moji. Como no fui consciente. Avísenme, Moji. Día de negociación con Moji.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another trading session. It is Wednesday, March 12th. Let's hit right into our pre-market analysis. All right, so the past 2 days, let's do a little recap, right? A little recap of my week personally so far. I've had 2 red days. Price action has been tough for me. Also, I was doing some back testing, reviewing, and I realized that the direction I was going in overall was right. However, it was just very volatile, and when I couldn't get my TP1 set in time, then it would hit my stop loss. So I'm going to correct that by going to a better bracket system. So this way I could hit TP1, that could take the risk off the table just in case we have similar price action. And if we don't, it'll be even better. So let's go right into the charts here. You can see here we have support under price right now, which is a very bullish sign. We don't have any resistance till about the 20,000s, which is up here. You can see my game plan area, 830. We had it shoot all the way up 200 points, and then it just came back, and now it's kind of dancing here. If it stays in this area, you can look for, I will be looking for longs. Again, it depends on context. If we take it to the trigger chart here, you can see right now, this is the opposite of every other day. We're by the very expensive box, but you can see we're bullish. We're bullish. The higher time frame right now doesn't have a direction, but 1, 2, 3 of the 4 say bullish. So at open, I wouldn't be surprised if it pushes down a bit before it tries to stay inside this super expensive box. You know, ideally, I would like it to see it push to the 4-hour close, which is this yellow line here, or even better, this cheap box, before it kicks back up. Why? Because I think that's just a better entry point for long. If not, if it just dances around here, or we see action like we did the past 2 days where it's just firing up and down, up and down. Today I'm going to wait. I'll wait till about 10:15 for new context to come up. So this way New York can give me a better idea of, one, direction. 2, is it going to be a smooth direction, or is it going to be like 30-point candle up, 30-point candle down? Then I have to trade accordingly by reducing my size and making sure my stop and validations are pretty tight. Hey Cloud, good morning. How are you?
I'm good. I'm actually in a long right now. I'm scalping a long right now.
There it is. Here. Yeah, Jason, it's just been that type of week. Just, that's trading for you. For me personally, the first 2 days I haven't been red. I haven't been able to get in a groove yet, but I ain't gonna let that stop me. I'm just going to focus on today, see if I could get that TP1, reduce my risk, and get a couple green days back on the board. Just for me personally, it was the price action was really hitting my stops quicker than I could put in my TP1s. So I just had to change up the brackets a little bit.
I'm flat. Hold on. I'm at break even. I'm waiting for this the New York high yesterday to be hit. Or yesterday's high to be hit.
Okay. We have a couple seconds until open. And we're open. Let's see if it plays out. If we get a little push down in the beginning before we take another leg. Let's see. Oh, I don't like that at all. Yuck.
That 720 level, I've been calling out all morning. It needs to hit, man. It needs to break and hold above that 720 level.
Okay. All right. So let me see if I can get in along. Yeah, I don't like it. Why does it have to be so expensive?
As long as we stay above 720, I like it.
What's ATR? ATR 1615. That's actually doable today. All right. I think today might be a top and bottom feeder day. That's my analysis. What do I mean by top and bottom feeder? I think you can make money both ways today. Actually, I want this at the 5. Now, some things I've noticed this past couple days is the open has not been very clear. Meaning, it hasn't like shot up in it or down in any direction and continued. It's kind of gone back and forth. Let's see. However, we have some bullish signs, which is good. You can see we have a bullish price control and a reversal going on, which is good if you're long. Right now, price is really expensive, so enter accordingly if you want to enter. I would like to see it test that the 690 again. Hopefully by the new 4-hour. But look at that. I think it's going to be 100 points before it does that. I'm calling it now. I think it's going to be 100 points before it tests anything. And you know how I'm going to know when it hits 100 points? Cloud's going to tell me.
Almost.
Told you.
$813 is where I want price to go before we have any real rejection. I'm moving my stops up tremendously. Come on, Naz. Am I back? Am I back yet? Nah. Let me not get too cocky. Because the market can humble you very, very quickly.
Yes, sir. I'm not in anything yet. I don't like where price is to go long for me personally, so I'm gonna wait till 10 o'clock. So what I'm gonna do in the meantime?
Oh man, like I gotta text my buddies because it's pretty much everything I said. You know, like what was gonna happen. We were gonna rally into CPI. I'm already up almost 500 points from the low of yesterday. I think we're approaching that London high. Be careful. That London high is the area that we've been having issues with these past couple of weeks. I don't know if you were here last week when I said that. Was last 2 weeks ago where I said that every time we've gotten to that London high and haven't been able to break and hold above it, we've had a nasty fall down. So just protect yourself.
Okay.
Nvidia moving right now. Supposedly, Nvidia is moving right now. So back to 720 level. Back to that 720 level. I am flat. I am flat off those longs I took. For me, 720 is a bullish level that I drew last year, and I'm going to keep looking at that as a bullish level. We stay above it, I'm bullish. We stay below it, I'm looking. I'm gonna play along to that level. So let's see what the market wants to give us. I love you, Nasdaq. Previous weekly low right here at 765. We wicked that twice. Let's see if we can get above it. I'm watching YM and ES right now. I'm not really liking that move for them. I don't like this high anymore. I kind of want us to come down a little bit more. God, look at YM. Are we under that 720 level? Hmm. Hmm. Let's see what it wants to do. Oh shit. Okay, hold on. I did not mean to go long right there. Okay. Shit. I'm at 5 micros long. I forgot that I wasn't in a position. I was hovering over the dom.
Hmm.
I'm at 5 micros long. I mean, it sucks because it's like it's not a real position, and if it runs, I'm gonna be pissed. If I get stopped out, I'm not gonna care. But 5 micros long. My entry was at 700. I don't really expect this to really run much, honestly. So it's whatever, bro. I don't care. I'm actually gonna give a little bit of room on this 5 micros. This is only 5 micros. Um, I'm gonna be 5 points below the previous daily high. So I'm gonna be at 680 flat. I'm gonna be at 680 flat. But we're definitely in a range, a tight range right now. We can't seem to get above this London high. We can't seem to, and we're hugging this 650 psych level that I like to play off of. And what's right in between that is my 720 level. So let's see what happens. Hold on, Mo. I'm gonna get my chart ready so people can see what I'm looking at and what my
Mm-hmm.
level. Let me load them up real quick. I'm gonna share them with everybody. All right, let me share my screen with everybody. Let me know if we can see my screen. I'm gonna go to 30-second chart.
Hold on a sec. Let me just get this on. Where's my stuff? There it is.
Oh, here's my chart in real time. I don't know what I'm looking at.
Hold on a second. They don't see it yet.
Oh, okay.
Where am I seeing this? Okay.
Oh, 5 micros are out, by the way. 5 micros got taken out for a loss.
All right.
It's all good. It's
There
all
we
good.
go.
That wasn't really a road trip.
Okay, you're on.
All right, yeah. So here's my screen that I'm looking at right here. This 720 level is a level that I drew last year, and I'm hoping that it holds. Right now, I wouldn't mind if we came down to the 620, between 620 and 600. The last look of longs will be at 560 for this current 4-hour. If this level gets hit at the 500 right here, I would have to wait for new 4-hour before I take another trade. Because that would be a lot lower than I expected the market to fall. So pre-market, I did take a long off this 650 level right here. You see the candle coloring changing from bright red to dark red. That is giving us a bullish signal that the bears are looking weak on a 30-second chart.
Let's go. I scalped that sucker. Yay.
Here, let me add another indicator. I need to clean it up first before I add it, but
Excuse me.
because I want you guys to see another.
I think I'm gonna. This is so bad. Yeah, let me go for it.
All right, so the previous daily high is what I'm looking at to take it along from this level to 720.
Whoa. Whoa. What was that?
I have no idea.
What was that? I like it. I had a limit order there, but wow. Okay. Well, that's interesting.
That was just a little tease right there.
That was a little grab. That's what that was. That was a little grab. All right, so right now price is having trouble staying above the 690s. They're fighting for it. But in this 4-hour forecaster, what's the likelihood of it staying? Not much, because this is considered expensive. Is there news today or anything?
No more news.
No. What came out?
Actually, we had the 10-year, I think.
Okay. Yeah, this is just waiting.
She looks like she want to come down, but the previous daily high doesn't look like it wants to be tested. I mean, hold, but but if it can hold, we can fly.
I mean, we broke through and we came right back to it, dipped under it, and we've been chipping away at it. So that's very bullish to me. I think at the next 4 hour, we should probably the next I don't know 4 or 5 minutes we should see. Let's see if that stays true, right? If the price action before the 4 hour, see what which way it wants to go.
Right here, VWAP.
I mean, we have a ways to go down and still be considered bullish. Oh shit.
Oh, this what? No, there's no way it would back down here. Oh, we are back down here. Oh shit. Right here, VWAP. I think VWAP does hold. We come back up. Oh, new 4 hour. New 4 hour. New 4 hour. New 4 hour.
Okay, let's see what the new 4 hour has.
Looks so good. Looks so good. I'm itching. I'm itching. I'm itching, man.
I'm getting ready for a long soon.
Oh my god, me too. Me too. I missed it a few times, but I'm itching. Okay, what?
Okay, I'm
I'm
in.
long. I'm long.
I'm in with you. TP1 hit. Stop up. There we go. Okay, let's see if it stays with me.
VWAP is my stop. 10 points below VWAP is my stop. So 600. 600 is gonna be my stop.
I was out once the trigger candle turned back to red.
All right, I see that. Flat. Shit, flat.
see if it can't stay above this, then it's gotta look short. I'm in long TP1 hit. See if I can handle this price action here. I got a TP2 at 50 points. Let's see if I can get there.
That 600 level, I put another buy limit there, and like I only did with 10 micros, and I should have went heavier. Why do I love that 600 level so much though?
Trigger candles are yellow. TP1 was hit.
We have to be very cognizant of 670. We really need to get above this that previous daily high of 686. But guess what? Green backgrounds are printing.
Here we go. TP2 was hit at 50 points. Ooh, you know what? I'm gonna move shit. I gotta move this. Excuse my language. I gotta move this up.
Oh my god, we're going.
I'm gonna move this up to get this out of the way. Up to about 200 points.
Money zones right here. Money zones right here.
What is that? Why is there two of them?
Money zones also at the previous daily high.
Where is it? What is that? Why is there two? Oh, I moved them both? Shoot. Did I? How did I do that? So move this one down there. There we go. Okay, now TP2 is officially hit. I don't know what happened there. Something screwy just happened. Let's move this one up to 400 here. Okay, 200 points away. Very good. All right, so I'm 100% risk-free on this. Trade is up 50 points. I'm gonna give it all of its 50 points. 600. That's too far away.
I think she want to come down a little bit for a little retest.
I let it. I hit. It can breathe now. This has been the area where it's been trying to see if it wants to stay above it or not. we have a yellow TPO, so not surprised it's happening around here. I don't care if it chops, as long as it chops up. I want to go after that London high. $7.43. Let's see. Now I can go back to search on Airbnb while this chops here. Let's chop up. What's this one? Let's look at that one. She's coming down. How the heck is this for 5 guests? What's happening there, Cloud?
The 720 level just can't hold. You know what I mean? It just can't hold. I'm flat again. I don't know. I mean, I'm grinning all my accounts, so I think I might just be done for the day, honestly. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a day. I'm grinning all my accounts. I don't want to keep playing with playing with the market today or entering trades. It's just something the past couple weeks have kind of scared me. So once I'm green, I'm pretty much done. So I'm gonna go ahead and log off, Mo.
All right.
All right.
What's today? Wednesday. All right. See you tomorrow.
All right.
Let me just switch you back. Hello, everybody. Let's go back to here so you can see my chart. There we go. I'll stay on for a bit. I'm green right now. I'll wait for see what price wants to do. So price is having trouble staying above the 690. That's unfortunate. Price is coming down. TPOs are yellow, so choppity chop chop. Let's see, I have a money zone here. Price is falling out of right now. Lower the risk. What's this one? So I need a new. If I day trade for a living, well, yeah, that's my source of income right now. I also sell real estate on the side, but it's been pretty slow here so far. So trading is what's keeping me going. Heading all the way back down again. And we'll see if we pop back up. See what's gonna happen in here. What do you want to do here? I think the Bears are stepping in pretty strong right here. I think they want to push this price down a little bit. Yes, they do. Yes, they do. So yeah, I do trade full time. I do this indicator live show 4 days a week. I sell some real estate on the side. I do a bunch of things. I also I'm looking to open. I teach martial arts too, so I'm looking to open a martial arts studio soon. So I do a bunch of everything. My dream life is to do this in the morning and teach martial arts at night. That'd be awesome. Oh, well, so it's funny. Actually, a friend of mine, this was back during COVID. Uh, it's always like through a friend, right? So a friend of mine, we were interested in the crypto markets and trading them. And then he actually found Adam because we're always believers like if you're gonna do anything, you want to make sure you get a good mentor to teach you how to do stuff. So this way it helps you with the learning curve. So he found Adam, and I think about A week later, I joined because he raved on how good, you know, Adam was. And this was before Adam made indicators. This was just Adam teaching. And then that's how I met Adam, and I've been taking classes and mentorship ever since. And during that time, he built, one indicator after another until finally, what happened over time is I learned to trade, I guess, like him, because I didn't have any prior trading knowledge or experience. So most of the way I think, the way I process things, it comes from DC and Adam, because those are the two people who I learned from the most. And then I added in my little tweaks here and there, just not from other sources, just from chart time and experience. Like these levels here, you see it's bouncing off of my long on stall level again. I took a long on risk free. Do I know if it's going to go 50 to 100 points? No, but if I stay true to my game plan, it just bounced. You saw we had a green button. That's the setup that I like. So I just took it, and let's see, I have to see how far it goes. And then one thing I realized though when I trade is I definitely like a take profit one, because that just gives me confidence to hold the runners. That's what it does for me. It just takes most of the dollars off the table, and therefore the runner 1, 2 to 5, depending on how much I take off in the beginning. It's basically, if I don't get it, I lose, I don't know, $50. If I do get it, I get 200. So that's a good trade-off. And when it's really crazy markets, like where the ATR is really high, like for example, Monday, Tuesday, right? When I don't have my brackets, I do horrible. So that's why, for like what trading brokerage I like to use something like a Tradevate. 2 reasons: one, I learned on it, and 2, all my brackets are set for how I like to trade. Why do I go to like Top Step X and stuff like that? Well, because they had a deal, right? They had a deal on some of the combines, so I tried it. They have very good features. However, me personally, I can pass combines on it, but when it comes to the XFAs, I like the security of knowing, okay, once I enter a trade, my TP1 is already there at 7 points. I don't have to manually do it, because if it's a really fast market day, I can't process that fast. Looking at the charts, looking at the entries, and whatever we have to do on the line. So it's just, the less thinking I have to do, the better it is. That's why I like Tradevate. And, also like Tradevate also has like auto break evens too at a certain number of points. Can't do that with Top Step, but some other firms you can. That's also helps me a lot too. There's just less mechanical things. Sorry, not mechanical. Less discretionary things that I have to do. Yeah. So my long, took me out for the runners out for -10, but I picked up 10 points on this TP1, so that's basically a wash of a trade. I think we could be dancing around here for a little bit. If you could see, you can see how since the for that red sell button, we kind of tapped it. We went down. We went inside the money zone. We came down. We get into it again, and we came down. So right now, shorts are the way. But I have a game plan here, and it's still valid. Meaning that this area, I'm like, okay, if it can't break it, it has to break it, retest, and go down for me to go short. So it hasn't yet, so that's why I haven't gotten any shorts in this area. But if you look at where it was the highest, it was closest to the red line. That was my, that's the best opportunity for a short. So I'm just playing the probabilities. Like right now, if I'm looking at the dashboard, as a bear, price action is retracement bearish, session control is bullish, time frame is long, order is long. So I would, if once the bulls get more power, I can see price trying to get back up to the 690s again. And I also like to trade one account at a time. I'm a one account trader. I can't do multiple because it just messes with my psyche. Here, let's see. See if I get the TP1 again. Here we go. I'm in long. Let's see if I can get my TP1. Yep, TP1 hit. Let's see what happens. In long again, just following my game plan. Let's see if this one will actually run for me. What's the ATR is 31. Oh, that's our 31. 19 on the 30-second, 20s, 30s on the 1 minute. TPO went from red to gray. Background IVD went from bullish weakness to bullish strength. Let's see if this is. If this has enough, it might take me out, but it's alright. As I hit my TP1, I'm risk free. Yeah, it's gonna take me out. Yep, I'm out. But it did not. It did not take my capital, so I'll just wait again. So I called it today that this market's you're gonna make money both ways, right? Right now, I like the bullish side of it, just because where we are within my game plan. However, we are. I'm gonna lower my risks a lot. And let me go here, make a new one. Put this 2 and 1. 2. Yeah, let's see if this. No, I don't like it just yet because you see where the pullback is. It's towards the top, so just wait. Let's see if it pushes back down to around 600 again. Maybe I could catch another long if it doesn't break. The screen here. Yeah, and then as far as how I met Cloud, it was through the Discord. Now we got what? Bullish weakness? Or is that bearish weakness? No, that's bearish weakness. Really? That's interesting. Okay, so if I'm looking at the timing mechanisms, which is the surge and the pullback, I can see price pushing down. But we are really have been chopping around the 600s. But ATR is so high that you could catch 20, 30 points. Now, I would not do this with heavy contracts, though. I learned my lesson the past 2 days. When I thought I had the direction right, which I did, and I was heavy, but with heavier you are, the smaller stops you have, and with the higher ATR, you kind of, how long have I been trading? I don't know. Let me look. You know how I know how long I've been trading? Based off of my Discord profile. So let me check. Discord profile. When was I a member? Let's see. I want to say no, I don't actually know. Hold on. Let me look at Adam's channel. Let's see when the heck this thing start. I don't know. I want to say I started. No, I want to get this right. Hold on. Let me find out exactly when I started. So here. All right, so I started in March. Oh, it's gonna be so March 26th of 2021 is when I started trading, and a year later is when I joined Adam's server. So I'm gonna take that date is March 28th, 2022. So, gonna be 3 years with Adam. Yes, it's gonna be 3 years. I would say 3 years. 3 years. Wow. So that's interesting. So it's been 3 years. I had to take time off because of personal. I'm just gonna say, just after I would say a year and a half ago, it's gonna be 2 years now. Uh, I had to take that time off because my dad passed then, so I was out for about 6 7 months. And then I came back. I hit it pretty heavy, uh, and shortly thereafter, I became a lead trader here. I became a lead trader because I understood the material and I was getting payouts. Ah, thanks, bro. It's good. Then then I hit a rough stretch with the payouts because I had messed up my timing, changing too many indicators. Adam helped me fix that. Then I've been on a nice roll. Then South, one of our members, turned me on to My Funded Futures. That company, because the way they what they allow you to do in Tradeovate is how I like to trade. So, like I had one account for over 170, almost 170 days before they moved me to live. So I'm officially a live trader with My Funded Futures. I haven't traded it yet. That happened the end of last week. So I'm in the process of getting all that stuff, all the paperwork and everything finished, so I can actually be a live trader for them. And then now my next goal, while I'm waiting for that, my next goal is to do the same thing with Top Step, but through Tradeovate. So right now I'm trading on an eval. I've been trading evals this whole week. I've been trading on an eval, so this way I can get used to trading because like they have a 2 to 5 contract maximum. So the best way to do it is, before thinking about passing a combine, is trade how you would trade as if it was an XFA or live. See how long it realistically takes you to pass, and that can give you a good idea of what you could average per day. Then if you're looking to do this full time, then you have an idea of where you're starting from. Like if you are a heavy trader, that's fine. Just understand, okay, well, what's your averages, so you can, what's your average wins, what's your average losses, how good are you at cutting yourself off when it's not a good day, things like that. And remember, everything is weekly, so whatever you make at the end of the week is yours. Let me just hang that up. Just let me know if you guys, yeah, you can still hear me. Good. Yeah, so like like right now, you see how it broke through that green line, right? So now shorts are in play. However, sometime during the day, it could fire right back up, because we still got some ways before things change. So yeah, and the entry for short was about here. Yeah, here. Yeah, maybe not. Maybe here. That one was a better one. Then you had a giant push down. All right, so how did I do today on this eval on TradeMate? Yeah, like I don't like talking about P&L too much, but right now I'm up 533. Just so you know, some of the micros, a couple scalps, no more than 1 or 2 minis. I don't like trading with any more than that, to be honest with you. Excuse me. Yeah, I'll take a flyer at this one out. That's cool. I haven't traded any other market yet. I haven't even tried. So I don't know, I'm just again, it's just a habit, right? I learned on NQ, so I trade NQ, and I haven't given the time to learn how other markets move. Yeah, the only thing I would say is don't put a time frame on it, because the only reason why I say that is because there is so much to learn about these markets, and once you find something that works, there's always going to be tweaking and learning and new information. So if I were you, the way I would do it is, let's take it in steps, right? First step is, one, how long can you hold an account for? How long can you hold it open? Have you held an account for over 100 days? Let's just take that as a round number. If not, then you know you got to work on it to hold it for for that long. If you can, that means that's telling you that you have now figured out how to uh, get a buffer and maintain it over time, because that's the best medicine. Because the market's changed, right? Like right now, like, it's we're in a pretty bearish looking market right now, but all right. Let's see. time is it? All right, so it's almost 11 o'clock. Let's just go quick over post-market analysis here. And you can see we have support here. We're really having a bunch of trouble around this in the 750s area here. Price is pushed back down. Right now it's trying to see if it can make another leg up. I expect it to be kind of rangy. Find your tops and bottoms. Small contracts I would suggest. You look back here, see how we are mixed. There's no real direction today. So, and then this is the IVD here. This is you see how it's red, but you have bullish weakness. So that could be a little push up in price right now. And then we'll see how the rest of the day turns out. Good news is finally back on the green section. Thank goodness. And let's see if we can do this again tomorrow. Till then, thank you everybody. Appreciate your time. We're going to be again live tomorrow. And then don't forget, Friday is a Discord. If you are a member, you get access to the Discord live with Cloud and DC and any other lead traders. Take care, everybody.